Hello everyone and welcome to today's lecture on Introduction to Social Media. In this video, we will explore what social media is, how it works, and some of its common features that connect millions of users around the world. So, let's get started. First thing first, what exactly is social media? Social media refers to a group of interactive technologies designed for creating and sharing content. It allows users to express their ideas, interests, and experience through online platforms and virtual communities. For sharing photo, to post a status update, social media enables various forms of communication. At its core, social media is powered by Web 2.0 technologies. These are internet-based applications that allow users to interact with each other and the platform itself rather than just passive consumer content. Unlike other forms of Web 2.0 enable dynamic interaction. Uh, Think, likes, comment, share, and more. On the most significant aspect of social media is user generated content. This is a content created by the user themselves. Rather, it is a text post, a comment, a post, or even a video. The platform lifeblood is this content that comes from the people who use it. Another important feature is the creation of service specific profile. When we sign up for any social media platform, you are asked to create a profile, and this profile is tailored to the specific platform, whether it's a Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Nowadays, it's an X. This profile allows you to personalize your experience and connect with others. Now, social media is not just about individual content, it is about creating and nurturing online social networks. Social networks connect you with your friends, family, colleagues, and even like minded individuals across the globe. These networks help them virtual communities from people share ideas, information, or even collaborations. In essence, social media bring people together in a digital space, whether it's a group chat, following someone's feed, or joining a community based or shared interest. The key to social media success is its ability to foster connections. To recap, social media is interactive, Web 2.0 based technology that empowers users to create, share, and interact with the content. It's built on the user generated content, personalized profile, and the development of online social networks. This makes it one of the most powerful tools for communication and connection in today's digital age. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in next video.